Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and what we expected last week. Last week, the copper market opened around 424.6. You can see this tiny candlestick that represents the price opening. And before that, now the chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart, which means every single candlestick represents 1 hour. And also whenever I am placing the cursor on a particular candlestick, you can always see the date below. So now let us go and see the price action that happened on last week and how we changed and shifted our strategies, how we framed a lot of strategies and how we made that strategies workable. So last week on Monday, the market opened, this is the price opening. The market opened around 424.6. So what we expected on Monday, what was our strategy was that the strategy was we made a clear distinction between the two zones, 426 and 423.5. If you can go back and see that this 423.5 is providing a clear support earlier. So on Friday you can see that this 423.5 had provided a clear support. So the market, after taking a clear support, the market just bounced back, and we know well about this 426 that acted as a resistance. So what we thought is that it is going to be a clear struggle between these two zones of 426 and 423.5. Based upon the price action what happened on Monday, we can think about what strategies we can frame, whether if the price is going to break 426, so it is going to be a buying, or you can if the price is going to break down below 423.5, it is going to be a seller's chance. So that was the two strategies which we had, and we left for the clients, followers to decide which way they can do based upon the price actions. If you have any doubt, if you are a new follower, please you can go back to the archives which we had posted. It is available in the YouTube channel and also in our website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com. So what happened on Friday was that it is a perfect consolidation that happened on Friday. After the price opening, the market went up and tested this 426 and then came down and tested this 423.5. The resistance was tested and also the support was also tested. And you can see the price action, it is a triangle formation. That is what we identified. So it is a triangle formation. You can see if you connect all this low, it is going to be a triangle. If you connect all this high, it is going to be a triangle formation. And the price closed just above the triangle, tip of this triangle. So this is the closing. So the next day is really a puzzle for us. So if the opening is above, then it is going to be a sure uptrend for us, and if the opening is below, then it is a clear indication the market has broken this triangle. Exactly what happened on Tuesday was that the market opened just below this, and from the opening the market moved down and broke this 423.5. so that really pushed the market down, and it went for a selling till on Tuesday it went for a selling till 419.3 around the zone and closed around 420. So the next also the market opened lower. It is exactly how it releases its pressure. So after a long consolidation on Monday, the market tried to release its pressure, and the market came down till 417.5. So what happened on Wednesday is that the Wednesday the market clearly rebounded. So after testing this 417.5, the market retracement, that means that from 417.5 the market went up and closed around 422.5. So the most important thing is that the market closing near and above 422.5. So what we had is that now the price, we know a clear thing that this 423.5 is going to provide a good resistance. So we clearly shifted the strategies here on Wednesday, we expected the market to continue in downtrend. So we clearly indicated this 423.5 is going to play a crucial role in deciding the trend. If there is anything above 423.5, then it is again can give a potential price action above the 423.5 and can reverse its trend. That was our opinion. And you can see on Thursday, you can see that the market really tried to come down, but it couldn't sustain the zone. So once it stay above this 422, and once we see a closing just above this 422, the next day the market just from the opening it clearly broke. That is on what happened on Friday. So that we can see a clear price action above 423.5 that pushed the market till and above 426. So this is the case. So what happened and how we shifted our strategies. If you want to know how we shifted our strategies in depth, you can go back and see the video presentations which we had posted every day before the price opening, before the market opening. So this is the way of framing a perfect trading plan that can suit our needs and make it workable, and how we are going to manage the trading plan is the most important thing while trading. So now what we can do today and for this week. So as we know where we started last week, we started having this 426 and 423 as a base reference, 23.5 exactly as a base reference, and we just went on and booked some profit, and again there was a reversal. Again the price is close to around 426, just above that. So now the case is very clear. It is again going to be there is no doubt that the market can initially go for a uptrend. So the favorable position for traders is the buying thing. So we can expect copper to move forward for this week. But as you all know, it is very clear these are going to be the very dangerous zones. 423.5 again it's going to act as a very good support, because you can see that it found a support here, after breaking that it acted as a resistance. It acted as a resistance here, it acted as a resistance here. So now it should be a good support for copper market. So 423.5 and till 422 we can go for a buying, and the market has got the potential to take some support around 422 and 423.5. And many times we have mentioned that the importance of 426 and 425 and 422. So if you are a copper trader, you may know that how many times the market you would have seen these numbers 426, 425, 422. So it is always the trend deciding zones, and we cannot always take these zones very easily. So other zones may be quite easy, because but it is sure that if we can sustain in this zone, it is going to be really a good profitable position for us. So market will show a great buying momentum or selling momentum, and it is always a trend deciding zone. So the expected price opening for this week may be around 425. So this or just above that. So that may not it is not going to make a much difference. So the market will be opening in line with the trend, and also since we are posting this video well before the currency and the commodity market price opening, so market opening, so it is also subjected to changes nowadays. Rupee factor is playing a good role in deciding the price opening. So around 9 o'clock you can go and see where the rupee is staying. So there is no doubt in the trend. Initially there is no possibilities for any selling opportunities here. What we strongly recommend is that you don't go and trade against the trend. Since 426 is a resistance, come on, we can test the market with 426. It is going against the trend. Unless until we get a confirmation about the trend, we cannot go and bet against the trend. The trend indicates that the market has got the good potential for moving up. So what we can expect in copper today is that unless until this support zones holds good, 422, 423.5, it is always a good opportunity for copper traders to go for a buying. And the target zones are very simple, 428 and 432. So it is a very big number, 432. Always we had seen it has provided good reversals also. So till 428 is the first target, and 432 is a possible target if the price stayed in with the trend. And the stop loss is going to be just below 422. We advise all the traders never to trade against the trend. The second thing is don't go and trade without a stop loss. So you should always know the risk, then only you can expect a reward. Just aiming on rewards alone is not going to help us. So unless until we calculate our risk involved in trading. So please don't go and trade without without a stop loss. So these are the possible strategies which we can frame based upon the previous week price actions. On seeing the previous week price action, you can see it is clear from this end, 417. The market had shown a clear buying, and we expected the buying to continue for this week also. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And thanks a lot for all your supports in watching our videos. And happy trading. Take care. Bye.